And welcome to Studio Video, folks. I'm your friendly host, James Thomas. This is where I typically introduce you to fashion models and photographers. I demonstrate how I draw their charcoal portraits. Then hopefully I set some dope art on your walls. So if that's interesting to you, please like and subscribe for more continual content. Gang, there's not too much time left to get your custom charcoal commissions done in time for Christmas. So please follow the link below to get yourself started on a one-of-a-kind charcoal portrait from me. All right, to continue the holiday spirit, we're gonna keep the mood high, graceful, and grateful. In this season, we've drawn loving couples, bonding family members, hardworking employees, and now a sweet memorial for a past pet named Lily. See, I have a sketchbook here that goes back about 15 years. I'm not gonna show you some of the earlier sketches, but I do love reflecting on a few of my past Siamese cats that I've lost. Here's Oliver, and here's Cyan. So folks, I completely understand it. Well, let's see how Lily turns out. Aw, here's Lily, folks. Such a sweet pooch. Guys, let me know what you think in the comments below. And let me know if you want something similar. We've all been there, and we've all been through it too. Well, gang, please like and subscribe for more continual content. Until next time, sketch you later.